the measure of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the square of the measure of the other two sides. Let's understand this by doing a simple activity. As we know, this is a right angle triangle. One of the angle is 90 degree and the side opposite to the right angled, the 90 degree is hypotenuse, called hypotenuse, the longest side of the right angled triangle. Rest two legs can be named as base and perpendicular. They are named as base and perpendicular. So for this activity, we need to make a right angled triangle. We need to construct a right angled triangle with side 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So as we know that longest side is hypotenuse, obviously we'll be drawing on the longest side, that is opposite to the 90 degree angle. Now for this triangle, let us make a square on side 3 centimeters. So if we'll make a square on it, obviously square has all four sides equal. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 3s are 9 centimeters square. If we have to take out the area of the base with side 4 centimeter, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 4, 8, 12 and 16 centimeter square. So the area of the square with side 3 centimeter is 9 centimeter squares and the area of the square with side 4 centimeter is equal to 16 centimeter square. Now we'll color them so it will be more clear कि 3 centimeter sides wala square is which one and 4 centimeter side square is which one. Now again, if we have to find the area of the side 5 centimeter square, what will we do? We'll make a square with all sides 5 centimeter and to calculate area, we divide this square further into 1 centimeter as it is asked that you have to find the area in centimeter square. Yani ki how many squares of 1 centimeter you can make inside this measure. Now, the activity says that if we'll take out the base, and perpendicular both and try to fix it on hypotenuse, the area of the perpendicular as well as the base combines and becomes equal to the area of hypotenuse. Let us take out the perpendicular and fix it on it. So 9 squares are covered. From the perpendicular, we have made it space pieces and we tried to adjust it on the hypotenuse. So 8 squares, 6 squares and 16 squares. So 16 squares fitted here and the total of 16 and 9 is 25 squares. So this proves that if we find out the area of base and perpendicular and base can be named. अगर आप इस triangle को rotate कर दें तो this base and perpendicular will change, depends upon the situation given. So this proves that base square and perpendicular square and totals up to the hypotenuse square. So the area of the two side squares add up to equal the area of long sloping hypotenuse square, that is 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Okay, so this is all about Pythagoras rule. So in this activity we observe that if we square the hypotenuse, that should be equal to the square of perpendicular and the square of base. Okay, so you have to do this activity in the